In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Proton Mail for free. To begin, open a secure and up-to-date web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type proton.me mail and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Create a Free Account or Get Proton for Free and click it. This will redirect you to Proton's official sign-up page, where the account setup process begins. Starting from the official website is important because it helps protect you from fake pages and phishing attempts. Next, you'll see different plan options. Proton offers paid plans, but for this tutorial, you want the option labeled Proton Free. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct plan, then click the button for the free version. This ensures you move forward with a zero-cost account and avoid being pushed into any billing flow. Now it's time to create your account details. In the username field, enter the email name you want to use. You'll also be able to choose your email ending, such as proton.me or protonmail.com. After that, create a strong password and type it carefully, then re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. This password matters a lot because Proton uses strong encryption tied to your login credentials. If you lose it, recovering access can be very difficult, so choose something secure and memorable. Once everything looks correct, click Create Account. After that, Proton will ask you to verify that you're human. You may see a CAPTCHA, which is usually the best choice if you want to keep the process as private as possible. In some cases, you may also be offered verification by email or text message. Complete the verification method shown on your screen, then click Verify or Next. The system may take a few seconds to finish preparing your account. Once you're in, Proton will guide you through a short onboarding process. Enter the display name you want people to see when they receive your emails, then continue. You'll also have the option to add a recovery method, such as a backup email address or phone number. This can help you regain access to your account later, so it's a smart step to complete. Finally, when your inbox loads, look for the Getting Started checklist, usually near the lower left area of the screen. Open it and work through the suggested setup tasks. These may include trying the import tool, sending your first email to yourself, signing into the mobile app, and opening another Proton service like Drive or VPN. As you complete the checklist, your free storage can increase from 500 megabytes to 1 gigabyte, giving you more room at no extra cost. And that's it. Your free Proton Mail account is fully set up and ready to use.